And the next class will go to the flare, to the handstand. This combo will help you to make another transitions, another combos from the flare to the air flare, to the 19, to the elbow flares, and something like this. I will explain how it works. The first, you need to make a flare, then pull your left hand to the floor and then up your right hand. You need to push up your hips, and then you can stand your right hand on the floor like this, from this position to this position. You can try it with your right leg. You can stand it and move these positions from this to this. Also, your left hand needs to be strong, because you need do the transition from down to the up on your left hand, and then you can stand on the both hands. And also your right leg needs to go to the up, because if you don't move it to your body, you cannot move from this position to the handstand. This is a bad mistake if you don't pull your right leg on your body. It looks like more harder, and this is a mistake. When you goes from the down to the up, your shoulder need to do like this. Your head need to comes to your shoulder like this. That's how it works.